simple recipes for Thanksgiving. When I used to do food reviews for my college paper, my focus was on cheap, filling foods that were portable and easy to get and eat. One of the things I love about our dear is that I can talk about and reference foods that take a little bit more time, care, and require a fork. Obviously, the holidays are coming and the pressure is one to produce great meals. It's also a chance to break out those special recipes that take a little extra time and that have extra special meaning. So this week I wanted to talk about a few party and main meal recipes that I've been looking at doing this holiday season and ones that I hope you will find helpful. Easy chocolate hors d'oeuvres. Round butter crackers, I recommend Ritz. Small square Hershey chocolate pieces, frozen. The small bars from Halloween are perfect, or you can cut up new pieces. They need to be square. Peanut butter, chilled. Place the crackers on parchment on a cookie sheet. Next up, take the peanut butter and cover all your crackers. Then take your chocolate and place them into the peanut butter. Press down so the chocolate is firmly on the peanut butter. Then bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until chocolate melts slightly. Serve warm or cold. I prefer warm. Grandma's stuffing. This is my favorite stuffing recipe of all time. I have fond memories growing up in Arkansas with this stuffing. Ingredients: -4 tablespoons sage, salt and pepper to taste, 1 pound sausage, flavored is also fine, turkey sausage works well too, 1 loaf day-old bread, dried out, 1 cup water, 1/2 cup breadcrumbs, -1 teaspoon sugar. Preparation instructions: fry sausage until golden brown and set aside. Take bread, breadcrumbs, and sugar. Combine with water in medium sauce pot. Stir and heat until the bread is a good sticky consistency. Combine with sausage. Add sage, salt and pepper to taste. Use to stuff turkey or have on side. As a twist, I like to use old donuts. It gives it a sweet flavor and is a family and friend favorite. And as always, good food, good friends, and good conversation are a must. So have fun and eat well.